this morning.
Prepared by our
My
mayor.
father, he looked on by. He passed on to the next life. Oh.
So for the first day when I first attend the event, I feel quite shy and timid. So I tend to stay with my peers with the same institution. However, during the night session, we have an ice-breaking session, which makes me really open. And I meet a lot of Sarawakians from different institutions, such as from UNIMAS, UITM, from other institutions. So I feel like this is a great opportunity for me to make new friends.
No, my soul, it can't be caught. And I'm ready to return to the light.
To be honest, kami rasa when I first came here, nya rasa macam lain because the environment here was different and the session here really opened my eyes. Sebab kami datang here with a mindset whereby it's just a program, but after a few days, a lot was taught. Me as a youth must work very hard. From the sessions that was given to us, youth are the future for SUARA.
Alright, the things that most surprising me is that how much of autonomy and rights of Sarawak that has been, I would say, actually we have a lot of rights in Sarawak, yeah. But however, unfortunately, not all of us knew fully about this. MSCC3 makes me realize that how important it is where we need to stay informed about this thing. So we need to always stay aware with this kind of thing because we have rights to share our voice, which is the SUARA.
So many things that I learned throughout this program, throughout these 3 to 4 days. I'm one of the Faculty Representative Council. So I hope that what do I get here, I could share to my friends and other faculty members back in UNIMAS and hope that I could really make a change with this information that I have and I will try to implement it among students in the faculty.
youth, I believe that with each voice and each dream, we add strength to our collective path. The unity in our diversity, the knowledge that we share, and the SUARA we raise together, these are the forces that will shape change.
Projek SUARA 2.0.